how to get ungated in Phillips, Pokemon, Tommy Tippy, even Barbie, Legos, definitely, and Legos. Without even having receipts, invoices, nothing. And it's not stopping. Canon, Adidas, Nike, literally on my feet. Like this shoe, just doing stupid easy photo of this shoe and ungating literally for anything. I know what you're gonna say, Thomas, you're going crazy. And I'm gonna confirm you, yes, I am. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I did all these ungating, and our all private group members did that too, in bulk, literally with shoe, without any invoices. Come to Papa! I got Phillips, which one is gated always on my account, which one always causing me problems. So I'm gonna try with this Philips brand stuff, which one I got at my unit. And check this out, it was required to be approved, obviously means it's gated, so I cannot list this product. So I'm asking to provide all paperwork, purchasing invoices, whatever they're asking. I'm gonna show you everything, how it looks. So basically you can read these terms and conditions, obviously, and Amazon at the end gonna ask you to upload invoice. And what I'm gonna do, check this out. It's gonna be ridiculous. I'm just gonna do random photo of item itself. So it's not invoice, not receipt, nothing. So it's basically nothing, just random stuff, which one item itself. Obviously you need to input your email, phone number, and check this out straight away. Bam! Phillips for me, for my account, for Amazon account is approved straight away in a couple of seconds. And it's clearly visible. It's allowing me to list this item without nothing stopping. So system is cleared. Nice, nice. What else? So it works. So means bot is loose. Amazon bot is loose. Which one is approving all gating situations? If you're applying, because majority of sellers sometimes getting that situation. And I catch this, but I decided I need something else, something big brand. So I got this shoe on my feet, which one is obviously Nike. So I'm gonna try it. Obviously it's a ridiculous situation. Shoe on my feet is Nike. I know it should be some barcode or something. So let's try it. How it's gonna be done? Let's see. Okay, it's scanning Nike. Nice, nice. We got Nike on system, and it should be the same shoe. Yes, it is. So it's Nike brand listing, branded Nike listing, so really good. So we're gonna try to ungate with the same tactic basically. And check this out again, reading terms and conditions. If you want, obviously I'm not gonna read that because it's the same always, and I'm just gonna do this photo, crazy photo of my shoe, of my old shoe, basically Nike, and uploading on invoice section because bot is now active, as I know. So I need to be really quick and use that. Again, email, phone number, like you see, request is accepted, receive it, pushing OK, and I need to wait a couple of seconds. If bot is active, it's gonna react in a couple of seconds, guys. If it's not reacting in minutes, in 10 minutes, in 1 hour, better close this case. Check this out. Emails received, approved. Nice. Come on, come on. Nice. With the shoe on a feet. So this situation going wild right now. So I'm just thinking, what else I need? So this is Lego shelf. I need some brands, which one I know I'm gated. Pokemon, it's done. Nothing special. Barbie, I did that. What else? So I need to find something because I know bots like this, it's not appearing for very long time periods. It's just randomly from Amazon system. So I got this exclusive inventory, which one I'm stuck because Amazon made me gated. It's gonna be really exclusive. It's Lamborghini brand. So basically it's Lamborghini brand toys, but it's Lamborghini brand. So I need to ungate this one because I got a couple of boxes of that inventory. And I'm gonna be really happy if Amazon gonna be allowing me to sell that on Amazon platform. So let's try it. Like you see, it requires approval. Like I was stating you before, I am gated on that. Obviously, it's Lamborghini brand. For me, it's difficult to get that approval. So let's try to play the same game basically till bot is loose. I need to do quickly all these ungating situations. Again, take photo, upload to invoice section like this. Very simple, guys. It's very simple. Check this out. System shows it's uploaded. Again, email, phone number, all the rest. And again, request is accepted, pushing OK. And we need to wait a couple of seconds, guys. Under review shows, like you see example, under review. And just, yeah, a couple of seconds. I got white variations. I need to double check that white variation actually later on. I'm not sure because I know orange was definitely gated. This one not sure, but needs to check. What shows under review still? Let's okay, what's that? Approve it. Come on, come on. Ridiculous. Lamborghini brand approve it. So it's allowing to sell basically. Nice. Star Wars, again, just basically by manual input, Star Wars choosing any listing. Star Wars, I know I'm gated in Star Wars. Again, I'm gonna do the same nonsense basically with, I'm gonna play around with the bot till bot is active. Ungating bot is active, I'm using that. So basically for whatever I need. And I know Star Wars is gated. Right now I'm doing random photos, not actual item, but random photos, randomly, whatever. This is Funko Pop. Obviously it's nothing to do with Star Wars. And yeah, I'm gonna apply for that, for Star Wars brand. Again, uploading onto this invoice section. Again, emails, phone numbers, and check this out. Request is accepted. Okay, pushing OK. Again, just gonna wait a couple of seconds, or you can scroll straight away to restart the system and check later on what's happening and what we got. Approve it. Come on, come on. But Star branded. So name of the brand is something is different, but it worked. It worked. So I need to find actual Star Wars, which one I got maybe in my unit, and apply exactly for that item. So this one is Barbie done. Nothing interesting. Phillips is done. Obviously, all the first one option was. So I need to find something else. I need to find. Yeah, so I got this Star Wars collectibles pile worth of 6,000 pounds. This small pile of toys. This is really expensive collectible stuff, which one I paid ridiculous cheap amounts. And obviously I'm collecting this stuff, so I'm not interested to ungate. But if Amazon giving me free access to get ungated for free, why not? So let's try it again. Choosing this specific ASIN for this specific item. Again, doing the same photo of this item. Obviously you can do random photos, I guess. If it works like this, you can do, I don't know, you can do whatever you want. Maybe black photo, white photo, just blank, you know. Again, check this out. So request is accepted. We're gonna wait a couple of seconds and let's see. It's gonna be Star Wars, real Star Wars brand. Actually, it's under review shows. Just scrolling down, like you see, not all brands is accepted straight at the same time. Looks like both working in random time periods. So I'm catching really randomly. Actually, I'm gonna show you later on this situation. And check this out, under review, still Star Wars. Come on, approve it, come on. So I can sell this item straight away. Just double checking the systems. Yeah, it's clear. Everything is clear, looking nice. Just going deeper a little bit to create listing itself, and it's allowing. Basically, all inputs are allowed. For me, means it's cleared listing. I am ungated right now on this ASIN, so ridiculous. Bot is loose basically. So Star Wars is done. So basically, some exclusive Lamborghini is done. What else I got? I need to think about that situation. So what else? Because I need to use that time frame which one bot is now loose, and I get as much as I can. Obviously I have no clue what else I need, so I'm going to our Discord private group, and because our members knows that situation, what's happening right now, I'm just gonna copy paste ideas of the brands itself, like you see, sharing these crazy ridiculous photos which won't work it for me as an invoice, so it's ridiculous, and checking what other people on our private group are using. So Lego, Adidas, Fisher Price, I am ungated on that situation, so basically scraping the data. Nintendo, so I need to do Nintendo. Nintendo is really important, and I know I'm gated, so someone was ungating. Other brands too, like you see. So obviously choosing lots of variations to choose. I chose DVD section, basically DVD brand, and I'm gonna do DVD with a cup of coffee. Ridiculous. So I'm gonna play around just basically right now with the system and check if it works, even that situation. Under review, DVD brand, what it shows under review. Approve it. Come on. So some DVD subcategories, not actual DVD, but subcategories is approved. So it's ridiculous. So it's allowing to sell. So I chose Microsoft again, which one looks like majority of our members was getting this approval too, because we got some leads related to Microsoft. And I just did photo of my backpack. It's ridiculous for Microsoft. And check this out. Is that going to be allowed or not? Under review? Under review still? Okay. Oh, emails. Come on. Approve it. So Microsoft right now is approved for me. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Easy. Clearly. It's visible. It's allowing me to sell straight away Microsoft products. Obviously, I did Canon. Like you see. Again, all Canon brand is approved. Check this out, what I'm going to show you. Come here. So I was dropping my personal message to our private Mental Picks group stating Amazon bot gone crazy. Obviously, it was just for a couple of minutes, but like you see, Nike, Phillips, Barbie, Fisher Price, everything was basically going for ungating automatically, done in a couple of seconds. Check this out. Everything approved. Everything is green basically. And obviously after 1 hour, Amazon bot was starting to drop again. Automatic ungating system was on. And check this out. I dropped this message notification stating you all can get ungated easily. And check this out. Oh hell yes, Ali saying done 4 so far. So I understood everyone able to do that. So let's go gang. Check this out. I have 10 and keep going. Ridiculous. So this is funny photo. I literally with my shoe on the feet applied for Nike brand and it got approved. So that was true and it was ridiculous. People laughing. Works with any image. So basically you was able to upload any image of these ungating processes and it's going to be ungated automatically because bot was so active at that moment. It was crazy. Applying for life jacket, expert midwife. So whoever was needed, whatever brand, they been able to do that. Funko Pops. Who else was doing? Someone was doing Nintendo branded, approved straight away. Ridiculous situation. Everything was able to be ungated. Check this out. Lego, Adidas, Fisher Price, Barbie, and many ridiculous. So this is how crazy you can catch these situations if you are on Mental Picks private group. Basically you're getting notification when something happens and all team going mad on this situation and everyone is happy basically at the end. So what you waiting? Mental Picks private group, which one giving you ridiculous notifications, let's say about this ungating situation, which one was only available on this Mental Picks private group in all United Kingdom. So like you see, multiple hundred of people was getting these catches of automated bot reactions on ungating situations, literally with anything. This one Pokemon, you was able to do photos and ungate everything basically with my own shoe on the feet. I was able to ungate Nike brand. So what you waiting? Mental Picks, retail arbitrage leads, freshest, most profitable in all the United Kingdom. Online arbitrage leads, most freshest, most profitable in all United Kingdom. And obviously my personal experience is gonna be shared to you on these chat forums, which one we providing on this Mental Picks private group. Join us, you're gonna love it. Till next time.
Look, Ma! No hands!